dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad men. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever young? Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Soon you are lady, they all will be gone, but don't they stay young? It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't wanna perish like a fading horse. Youth's like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. We let them come true. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever young? There's a box up in the attic.
Unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa
Treasures from
kay Papa God na binigay sa akin tong age na hanggang 50 umabot ako. At syempre, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng dumalo dito sa birthday ko dahil sobrang saya ko at na-appreciate ko lahat ng dumalo. Since kahapon, miski umuulan, madaming taong pumunta dito para makiselebrate ng birthday ko. At hanggang ngayon, may mga dumating pa rin tayo mga kaibigan na nagmamahal sa akin. Minasang honto ni arigatou gozaimasu. Kokoro kara honto
But
ni arigatou
it
gozaimasu.
reminds me of all the ones I
ママ誕生日おめでとうございます。
when I think
ここまで育ててくれて本当にありがとうございます。また、こっちに帰ってきたら一緒にお酒飲みましょうね。元気でね。バイバイ。
誕生日おめでとう。7年半、鳴沢で一緒にやってきましたけど、これからもう少し頑張っていけばなんとかもっと良くなっていくんじゃないかと思いますので、今後ともよろしくお願いします。
ママへ50歳の誕生日おめでとう。私をここまで育ててもらってて本当に嬉しいし、ママのことをすごいと思ってるし尊敬してます。これからも元気にしててください。これからもよろしくお願いします。 くれてありがとう。あとたくさん私の遊びに付き合ってくれてありがとう。
I want this
これ
Christmas
からも愛してね。
doesn't cost
I
a
love you.
single thing.
Happy birthday, Mama Marian. We love you so much. Alam mo naman, love na love ka namin ni Aina. Lahat gagawin namin para sa'yo. Lagi lang kaming nandito para sa'yo. Super duper support kami kahit anong gawin mo. Ayan, talagang love na love ka namin. Ayan, support talaga kami ngayong 50th birthday mo. Sana'y lagi mas maging happy ka pa, sexy, mas maganda. Ayan, sa napakabait naming Mama Marian. We love you so much. Happy birthday. Love you.
For today's forecast is it's rainy day. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Narusawa. Ima Narusawa ni weather forecast. Okay na? Gumen kanina pa ako birthday. Okay na, sabi mo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mami! Happy birthday po! Nani mo deki nai kedo. Sana mabuhay ka pa hanggat gusto mo. And itsumo arigato. Osewa rin narimashita. Gomen. Happy birthday, Mami. Itsumo, I love you, Mami. Happy birthday.
I know you're tired, I see it in your eyes. All that anxiety that rules your mind. I'll be
Happy
your
birthday,
shield
Mama.
when you don't feel like you've got
message ko
strength
sa'yo
enough
is,
to fight.
Thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng mga ano ba? Ano bang magandang sabihin? Thank you sa lahat ng mga pagtitiis. Alam mo naman lahat ng mga 20 years ago, alam ko na sumakit ang ulo mo sa akin. Pero thank you kasi kahit minsan lang tayo magkita, alam ko na mahal mo ako. And alam mo din na mahal kita. So, sana sa lahat ng mga pagsubok na dumating pa rin sa buhay mo, alam mo na andyan lang lagi si Lord. Wala, kahit wala tayong kaibigan, basta andyan si Lord sa atin. So, happy birthday. I love you. Andito lang ako palagi for you. Happy birthday!
Ate Marian, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana wag magbago, beauty and inside and out, ganun pa rin. At saka, welcome to the club! 50 ka na. Sana, tawag dito, marami pa tayong bonding. Then, sakay tayo sa, alam mo na, sa karagatan. Tayo, mag-travel. And basta happy lang. And ingat sa katawan natin dahil alam mo na, tumatanda na tayo. Oops, tumatanda, hindi pala. Gumaganda pa tayo. Kaya, good luck sa journey na harapin. Ngayong 50 ka na. And welcome to my club! Happy birthday! Ma!
Mama Marian, oh my God! Birthday mo na talaga ngayon! Happy birthday to you! And nandyan na sa'yo lahat. So, ang sasabi ko lang is, stay always happy heart, happy mind, and stay always sexy and pretty. And wala lang akong masabi kasi lahat na sinasabi na nila lahat. Basta happy birthday and alam kong masayang-masaya ngayon. I love you so much and happy birthday!